Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and activate Union Bank virtual credit card. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, the only thing that you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all, access a particular Union Bank mobile bank app, and actually you can do it just by your app as well. Once you access it, and make sure to log in with your account's information, and once you're done, you're going to find this kind of interface, including the options below. And as of the highlighted option, you can see is over here is activate card. Once you've tapped on it, you will be led to this option of manage cards section, where you're going to find all of the cards that you have. You can see physical card on top, and below you can see the virtual card as it has been listed over here. You simply have to tap on this virtual card over there, and then it will open up the information regarding your virtual card of your Union Bank, which includes the card number, valid date and CVV number, and the reminders, plus the features what you can do with it. And bottom section, you're going to find this option called lock and unlock. So you simply have to first of all unlock your card if it's apparently you have set your virtual card on Union Bank, but if it's locked, then you won't be able to use it for any of the purchases that you would do, even if your wallet and your card is loaded. So make sure to unlock it just by coming over here, tapping on it, and you can see the lock icon will also unlock once you're done with that. And apparently this is the only steps that you have to do for you to set up your card and use it for any of the purchases right away. This is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.